Apex Test Class Best Practices. 1. Test class must start with as test annotation if class version is more than 25. 2. Test environment support test visible, test setup as well. 3. Unit test is to test particular piece of code working properly or not. 4. Unit test method takes no argument, commit no data to database, send no email, flagged with test method keyword. 5. To deploy to production at least 75% code coverage is required. 6. System, debug statement are not counted as a part of Apex code limit. 7. Test method and test classes are not counted as a part of code limit. 8. We should not focus on the percentage of code coverage. We should make sure that every use case should covered including positive, negative, bulk and single record. 9. Single action to verify that the single record produces the correct and expected result. 10. Negative test case. Not to add future date, not to specify negative amount. Restricted user. Test whether a user with restricted access used in your code. 10. Test class should be annotated with @is test. 11. @is test annotation with test method is equivalent to test method keyword. 12. Test method should static and no void return type. 13. Test class and method default access is private, no matter to add access specifier. 14. Classes with @is test annotation can't be a interface or enum. 15. Test method code can't be invoked by non-test request. 16. Stating with Salesforce API 28.0 test method cannot reside inside non-test classes. 17. Test visible annotation to make visible private methods inside test classes. 18. Test method cannot be used to test web service callout. Please use callout mock. 19. You can't send email from test method. 20. User, profile, organization, async Apex job, corntrigger, record type, Apex class, Apex component, Apex page we can access without. See all data equals true. 21. See all data equals true will not work for API 23 version eiler. 22. Accessing static resource test records in test class g list list equals test. Load data, account, subject type, resource name. 23. Create TestFactory class with @is test annotation to exclude from organization code size limit. 24. Test setup to create test records once in a method and NBSP, and use in every test method in the test class. 25. We can run unit test by using Salesforce standard UI, force.com IDE, console, API. 26. Maximum number of test classes run per 24-hour of period is not greater of 500 or 10 multiplication of test classes of your organization. 27. As Apex runs in system mode, so the permission and record sharing are not taken into account. So we need to use system runas to enforce record sharing. 28. System runas will not enforce user permission or field level permission. 29. Every test to runas count against the total number of DML issued in the process. Thanks for watching Salesforcestart.